Alright, good day guys. My name is Destiny. I'm Startechtrade. Alright, this platform you see right there is called an IQ option platform, and IQ option is one of the best binary option trading broker. Alright guys, so like this video is all about how to navigate yourself around this binary option this IK option platform. All right, you can see at this end there, this is Akanachi. So I set it to Akanachi candle right here. But if you don't want to use that, you can use candle, and then you come over to the timer right here. You can decide to use any candle time of your choice. You can even use 5 seconds and more. All right, so this is where to set indicator. You can see it shows like this indicator, and then you can look for any indicator you want to use. Moving average, you can use moving average. If it's not if it's any other indicator, you have to search it, and then all that stuff, and you can see save indicators. You can save them. Let me give an example. Okay, I'm putting this indicator and I have to save it. So I'll come over to this end right here. Okay, come over to this end right here, and you can see save. So you can write the name star then save. So anytime I want to go to look for any other pair, any other currency pair anywhere, then I can just, okay, it's showing already. So it's all showing already, and it's all showing already. But there are sometimes it might not be showing. So if it's not showing, you have to go to that place. Then you can look at it, click start, then it's going to appear. I don't know, but on phone it's different. Okay. So your time and yeah, and also be checking this your BLITZ. The difference within, you can see the difference here. We have option, we have different type. You can see, okay, you can see right there, BLITZ, binary, digital, forest, and stuff. So what we will be trading on is on the BLITZ. Please take note of that. So BLITZ. So BLITZ. So all the pair will be trading on will be on the BLITZ. So this is the way you set the investment amount for trading. If it's $1, you can put in $1. If it's more than, you can put in. This way you set your time. And I can ask you to use 1 minute. I can ask you to use 2 minutes, and always be checking it because the time too changes. You can see oh yeah, showing 5 seconds. So always be checking it. Then if I say buy, which means we need to go higher for 2 minutes. So we click here. If I say sell, which means you need to go lower for the same minutes I have. Okay, so this is your practice account where you can start practicing. Now when you're good, you can come over to your real account. Thank you so much, and I hope this video helps you. And if you want to understand more things, you can send me a message and I will explain more further. God bless you.